Assalamualaikum dear members, welcome to a new session of 2020-2021, and I am going to explain you how to open the presentations which are submitted in your Google Classrooms. Okay, we are going to Google Classrooms. Please ignore my messages. Okay, we'll open the classroom and we will go in classwork. Now, which subject you are looking for, you will go in that subject. You can see there is unit number. You can see there are unit numbers, and you can see unit numbers, and this is a worksheet about unit, and this is about the first term. Now I want to see the unit presentation. Okay, I'll open it. You can see this is unit presentation. You will open it. Now we can see this is the presentation with voiceover. How will you be able to use the voiceover presentation, and you will explain or what teacher has planned for you, how you will work on it. We will open it into an office in a PowerPoint, and now you can watch it has opened in the presentation file as a presentation file. We will open and click it. Let us go in the slideshow.
Assalamu alaikum and good morning, students. I welcome to you all to our new academic session 2020-2021. I'm Asma Faiz and I'm your class teacher for this year, and I will be teaching you science.
Okay.
Today we are going to study about light. As we have learned earlier that light is a form of energy. Next we
are getting
some. Please go to the following link to watch the video. Thank you.
I hope you all are able to understand how to use it, and I hope this is helpful to all of you, and this comes with all the lessons which teacher has posted in our Google Classrooms. Thank you so much.